The choice is yours. The choice is yours. Choix ça, c'est pour vous. Choix ça, c'est pour vous. I'm out of money. I am out of money. Mwen pa gen l'argent. Mwen pa gen l'argent. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. Mwen vle manger yon bagay. Mwen vle manger yon bagay. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Qui est nek sa ye? Qui est nek sa ye? Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. Pas trop intelligent. Pas trop intelligent. Could you please speak more slowly? Could you please speak more slowly? Est-ce que vous pouvez parler plus doucement s'il vous plaît? Est-ce que vous pouvez parler plus doucement s'il vous plaît? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Mwen leve à 7 a.m. Mwen leve à 7 a.m. I'm inside. I am inside. Mwen an dan. Mwen an dan. I'm outside. I am outside. Mwen dehors. Mwen dehors. I'm on my way. I am on my way. Mwen sou route mwen. Mwen sou route mwen. I like to have a good time at work. I like to have a good time at work. Mwen ta reme pase yon bon moment nan travay la. Mwen ta reme pase yon bon moment nan travay la. What time is it? What time is it? Ki lè liye? Ki lè liye? Where is it? Where is it? Kote liye? Kote liye? I'm bored. I am bored. Mwen aniye. Mwen aniye. Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Est-ce que nous ka parler en privé? Est-ce que nous ka parler en privé? Where am I? Where am I? Kote mwen ye la. Kote mwen ye la. He puts me to shame. He puts me to shame. Li fèm honte. Li fèm honte. I'm a bit late. I'm a bit late. Mwen yon ti jan en retard. Mwen yon ti jan en retard. Think with cool mind. Think with cool mind. Réfléchis ak l'esprit posé. Réfléchis ak l'esprit posé. I am a little bit tired. I am a little bit tired. Mwen yon ti jan fatigué. Mwen yon ti jan fatigué. What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? Qui jour était hier? Qui jour était hier? Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Hier c'était dimanche. Hier c'était dimanche. It was very perfect and beautiful. It was very perfect and beautiful. Il était très parfait et belle. Il était très parfait et belle. What's your friend's name? What's your friend's name? Qui j'aime ou l'en relais? Qui j'aime ou l'en relais?